Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. First up, we have a bit of a bob. Gorgeous. This came out absolutely perfection. The stylist did this beautiful classic bob here. And it ends just around the jawline. Power of haircut. So she starts off with this long dark hair. Looks like she got some curtain bangs along with some layers. Full bangs for this next one. Oh, wow. Beautiful. I love her hair color as well. It's like this really pretty, soft brown, almost ginger color. Next up, we have someone who wants to get more of a bixie cut. So a bixie, if you didn't know, is like an in-between pixie and bob style. It's the perfect in-between lane. So she has a bit of texture here, which really just gives the style a little bit more spice. This is super cute. And she can do a lot of heatless looks with that. Give her hair a break from the heat. That's pretty nice, actually. So here we have another kind of pixie hairstyle. This one definitely has some texture to it for sure. It's a tad bit shorter than the previous one we saw. Super cute. I feel like this hairstyle would definitely be a vibe for the summer. And look how thick and full her hair is. So she already has that like natural texture to it. So he does the bangs first. So we continue to see the inspiration of the cut throughout the video. You can see he's going shorter and shorter here. Hair has been cut and washed, and then we can start to see that style come to life. Oh, so cute. And again, this is another simple chic style that she can wear her wash and goes with. Very low maintenance. Next up, looks like we have someone who wants to get some color. She wants to get some layers as well. Oh, wow. Oh, that color looks absolutely gorgeous. It's like a beautiful chocolate brown with some highlights mixed in. This is pure perfection. The layers, everything looks amazing. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at these gorgeous hair makeovers within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.